What a fantabulous performance. Now I'd like to call Dr. Hitesh Chariwala to felicitate Prachi. Now I'd like to hand over the mic to Dr. Ankit Parmar.
Hello, good evening. After seeing all the wonderful performance and of course my performance, I would like to proceed the ceremony which we always love to be a part of, because the SPECT is a family, and family is always supported by so many pillars. We have this kind of pillars who support us to perform all our social activity, academic activity, charitable activity throughout the year. And this is the occasion where we would like to felicitate all these our pillars who has constantly and unconditionally supported our cause. I think they have been contributing to our cause since so many years now. They are part of our family. So I'll be calling their names. So 2 or 3 representatives from the NGO or the person, please come on the stage to take the mementos. So first, Shri G.I. Majmudar Public Charitable Trust, Sudhir Bhai. So G.I. Majmudar Public Charitable Trust is supporting thalassemia patient. I would like to call Dr. Kirit Sisodia to come forward. So G.I. Majmudar Public Charitable Trust is supporting thalassemia, sickle cell and hemophilia patient since last 25 years of you can say, and taking without any single penny from any patient. They have been supporting all the patient. So I am very much proud to be a part of that system, and I think they are doing wonderful job to support all our patients who are suffering from all this disorder. Thank you. Mask cut. Thank you. Next is whenever there is a blood donation, and there is the only name in the Surat or Gujarat, I must say in the national level, there is a Chandla Gali Yuak Mandal who has been doing so many blood camps that we have lost the count. And we have Mr. Yogesh Bhai Dimmer, who has been the highest donor in Gujarat. He has been donating, I think, more than 200 times. I think count is 220 plus blood donation, his age and counting. So please come on the stage, Chandla Gali Yuak Mandal people. And I would like to call upon Hitesh sir to felicitate them. Hitesh Jariwala sir. $225 times. And the pioneer and the Rakta Guru, Ankur Bhai Shah is there. Yusuf Bhai, Tejas Bhai, they are my another family. They have inspired thousands of people to do the blood donation, and they are aware. They are doing the awareness campaign and blood donation each and every part of the society and city. Thank you very much. So next is the alma mater of the so many pediatricians who are sitting here, that is Department of Pediatrics, GMC Surat. So I would like to call Sangeeta madam if available. Yes ma'am. So without GMC Surat, I think we won't be here. And the institute is alma mater for all of the pediatrician, I think, here. And they are supporting all the pediatrician whenever they ask. So I would like to call Dr. Kanakshi Surma sir to felicitate our Department of Pediatrics. And Sangeeta madam is now head of department, GMC Surat. Okay. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, please.
Good evening, everyone. Actually, Department of Pediatrics of Government Medical College, Surat is known by Dr. Vijay Shah. We are following his footsteps. I have very recently taken over the charge. So whatever work is done by the Department of Pediatrics is work of Dr. Vijay Shah, sir. And without SPECT, GMC Surat department is nothing. So I'm thankful to SPECT also.
Thank you. So, and another institute that is always supporting us, particularly whenever there is a breastfeeding awareness activities are there. So, Department of Pediatrics, SMIMER. So, if anybody from SMIMER is available, yes, Rajnikant bhai. So, I would like to call Rakesh sir to felicitate. So next is, I think, Dr. Chandresh Jardos. Dr. Chandresh Jardos is not here. I think Dr. Ketan Shah sir will be taking. Dr. Chandresh Jardos, we all know, is a past president of IMA. He is also a very active member of FPA. And I would like to call Dr. Darshan sir to provide memento to, on behalf of Chandresh Jardos sir. Ketan Shah sir will be taking. Chandresh sir has been very active part of so many activities, and at present they have started Dr. Ashok Kapse sir quiz, and it was a wonderful event, and he has been supporting many academic activities of SPECT also. Salim sir, PT महिला में कोई नहीं. So next is whenever there is a breastfeeding awareness activity or breastfeeding awareness week, we any think of, and invariable part of that activities are Dr. Vrajesh Patel and Mrs. Minakshi. They have been supporting all the breastfeeding activity like the quiz, webinar, even the training of TOTs. If anyone from the PT Mahila College of Arts and Home Science, Vanita Vishram is there, I would like to call up them upon on the stage. Is there anyone available? Salim sir? Okay sir, તમે જ આવી જાઓ સર. તમે આવી જજો સર એમના લેવા માટે. So yes, on behalf of them, I think sir is the main bridge to gap between SPECT and the PT Mahila College. I would like to call Manish Sharma sir to come on the stage. Okay, I think પછી એવું તો સ્ટેજ પર બોલાવી લઈશું આપણે. And the next is the woman empowerment, not like Rahul Gandhi, but the real woman empowerment that SPECT has been doing since many years. And yes, Sparkle is not possible without them. So SPECT Ladies Wing. So I would like to call Falguni ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, Dr. Ashwini, Deepal madam, Meenal madam, if available, please come on the stage for felicitation SPECT Ladies Wing. And whoever a part of this wonderful association, SPECT since so many years, and they are doing so many family activity like Garba, Unnati bhi aavi jaye. So Vishakha madam, yes, please come on the stage. Trupti madam, yes. So please come on the stage, and I would like to Dipti ma'am, Kapse madam, Alka ma'am, please come on the stage to felicitate all these people. આવી જાઓ, ફોટામાં સારા લાગશો. પ્લીઝ હેમાબેન, પ્લીઝ પ્લીઝ. આઈ જ્યોતિ મેમ, પ્લીઝ સ્ટેજ પર આવી જાઓ. મારા વજન સહન કરી લીધું તો તમારું કરી લેશે. પ્લીઝ આવી જાઓ સ્ટેજ પર. એન્ડ પ્લીઝ સ્ટેજ પર આવી જાઓ. There are so many people who are supporting SPECT Ladies Wing in different aspects. હું જરાક સાઈડ પર હટી જાઉં. શ્વાસ અંદર લઈ લઉં છું થોડો. હા, આગળ આવી જાઓ. અરે ભાઈ લાઈટ કેમ ચાલુ રાખો ચાલુ તમે
All the sweet girls, put your hands up and say cheese.
અરે કાફે મેડમ ચલો આવો બધા ખબર થવું છે લેડીઝ બધા આપણે કથામાં હાથ કેમ લગાડીએ હાથ લગાડી દો કથા એ તો પ્રસાદ આવી જશે થેન્ક યુ ઓલ પ્લીઝ કીપ entertaining us with such a wonderful programs. So next is people who are supporting wholeheartedly for our project Heart, and during the COVID time they have provided wonderful service to society. I would like to call upon Mr. Jaisukbhai Katheria, who is the CEO of Leo Group of Educational Institute.
હું લઈ લઈશ.
હા,
સ્નેહલ જો આવે છે રસ્તામાં છે, ધર્મેશ સુરમા છે અને ચંદુભાઈનું સ્નેહલ જ લેશે એટલે એ બેન
Okay.
પછી
Okay. And on behalf of them, I would like to call upon Kanak sir, who is the bridge between two institutes, to take their memento. I would like to call Bankim sir to come on the stage to felicitate Leo Group of Institute. From all the way from USA, કમલા હરીશને મળીને આવ્યા છે હમણાં જ. હા સર બસમાંથી કમળાબેન કમલા નહીં કમળા For Project Heart, they have been providing the bus services free of cost every year. And because of their support, we are able to do all this charitable and social activity without any hesitations. And next in the line is Dr. Dharmendra Singh Surma. They are also, Dr. Dharmendra Singh Surma is available? Yes. So, Dr. Dharmendra Singh, please come on the stage. I would like to call Dr. Himanshu sir to felicitate Dr. Dharmendra Singh. He is a invariable part of all our COVID activities, charitable activity, also the Project Heart. So thank you sir for your services. And you already know that SMC has got the second number all over the India as far as the cleaning aspect has been concerned. And of course, during the COVID time, we have found that they have been very cooperative and very proactive in managing the COVID in the city since the beginning. So I would like to call Dr. Fanil Patel. Fanil is available? Yes. Fanil, Dr. Fanil. Dr. Fanil is a very supportive and very cooperative guy who has been supporting all the problems with which we are facing to where COVID times or non-COVID times. So I would like to call Dr. Kanakshi Surma sir to felicitate Dr. Fanil Patel. So Fanil Patel, SMC નો હેલ્થ રિલેટેડ કંઈ બી કામ હોય તો આ ભાઈને પકડવું એટલા માટે બોલાવેલા છે એમને. થેન્ક યુ ફેનિલ, થેન્ક યુ. He has been very cooperative and he has been doing such a wonderful job to battle this COVID, and I hope that he'll be doing all this work in future also. Yes.
On behalf of Team Health SMC, I am receiving this award under the leadership of Dr. Ashish Nayak sir, Commissioner sir, whatever work had been done throughout the COVID pandemic, એક લર્નિંગ ફેઝ હતો, એક ચેલેન્જિંગ ફેઝ હતો અને બધાના સપોર્ટની ખાસ જરૂર હતી. કલેક્ટિવ એફર્ટ્સ હોય તો જ આ પેન્ડેમિકમાંથી આપણે બહાર નીકળી શક્યા. સો થેન્કફુલ વી આર ટીમ હેલ્થ SMC is also thankful to SPEC, Pediatric Association as well as the other medical association. And again, thank you on behalf of Team Health SMC. I am receiving this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Fanil. So now the last two awards. So these last two awards for our two wonderful senior people, Dr. Kanaksi Surma and Dr. Chetan Shah sir, who has not only won the election but also felicitated by FIAP award from Central IAP. So Dr. Kanaksi Surma sir, please come on the stage, and I would like to call Dr. Kirit sir to felicitate Dr. Kanak sir. Congratulations sir for victory. તમારી બે પાર્ટીઓ બાકી છે, આ બધા લોકો એના માટે આવેલા છે. યસ યસ, એક દમણ એક દીવ. ચેતન સર નથી ને? ઓકે, સો નાવ back to the entertainment part. So I would like to hand over mic to our wonderful MOCs. Please continue our program.